That's all good. So we'll go to item number 3, which is confirmation of the minutes of the ordinary council meeting that was held on the 31st of October. Any queries or points of clarification or matters arising from those minutes? Councillor Body.
Page 10. It's in regard to the resolution to do with the 2 degrees and Spark Tower.
Yes.
Did the appropriate consultation was undertaken with the airport users? Did that happen?
Is that not a confidential?
Well, it's in the open agenda.
Oh, it's in the other agenda.
Oh, there.
Mr. Sandham,
Yes, do you?
would you like to come forward, please, Mr. Sandham, and turn your speaker on? We're just making sure, Mrs. Nian, are we all on the line, are we? Yep. So welcome to the members of the public out there viewing us on audio and video as well. Mr. Sandham,
Yes.
the question was from Councillor Body regarding to the Spark.
I spoke to Mike Groom. I'm sorry, my apologies for not being here. I could have cleared this up on the day had I been. The tower is actually outside of the flight path, so it has no effect. It's not within the flight path area, so they have no interest. So I'm quite happy to talk to the airport users group, but I'm not quite sure what.
I'm sure I've seen a plane fly over there.
I think it's at the approach and
Okay.
the landing path. It's
Sure.
outside of that area. So.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you for that full report.
Thank you. Any other queries? No queries? Okay, so that being the case, we'll have a mover for those minutes, please. Thank you, Councillor. Councillor Stewart, were you here? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yep. Moved by Councillor Stewart, seconded by Councillor Jollins. All those in favour, please say aye. Those against, carried.